Are you aware of American investor Cathie Wood's recent predictions? She believes that the stock price for Tesla will reach a staggering $2,000 by 2027. This is based on a 5-year investment horizon, with the estimated value ranging from $1,400 to $2,500 for both bear and bull cases. Cathie Wood also sees the potential of the robo-taxi industry, projecting that it could generate $8 to $10 trillion in revenue globally by 2030. She considers this one of our time's most significant investment opportunities, not only because of its potential financial gain but also because it can save lives. According to Wood, 80 to 90% of auto accidents are caused by human error, and autonomous driving can eliminate this risk. With this in mind, Wood and her team want Tesla to scale up its units, as each could represent the potential for a robo-taxi fleet. So today, let's talk about Cathie Wood's view on Tesla and its role as a leader in the future of self-driving cars. Hey there friends, welcome to Capitalista. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons down below. And let's get started. Wood says that Elon has stated that it may be possible to launch the fleet this year, although they believe it's more likely to happen last year. The robo-taxi service is similar to a software as a service or SaaS business, which will be profitable from a margin standpoint, making it an intelligent move to maximize units. Tesla has a lot of option value, so it is essential to capitalize on it. Interestingly, regulations seem to be working in Tesla's favor, as the number of car accident fatalities in the United States has decreased over. They are examining Tesla's data closely. During Investor Day, Tesla shared some data that wasn't given enough attention the past 30 years. In addition, Tesla's production has increased to over 45,000 in the last 5 years, and the National Highway and Transportation Safety Association is under pressure to make some changes. Cathie Wood believes that Tesla's self-driving cars have a good safety record, with one accident occurring every 3.2 million miles. This is better than the average car on the road, which has an accident every 500,000 miles. Tesla is the largest holding in their flagship strategy, which is ARKK. They also have investments in other autonomous technology and robotics companies like BYD, XPeng, and NIO. They believe that electric vehicles are the future, and they are analyzing battery and drivetrain technology to invest in. And when the number of electric vehicles produced and sold doubles, the cost of their drivetrains decreases by around 28%. This reduction in cost has already made electric vehicles cheaper to own the gas-powered vehicles. That's why global electric vehicle sales increased by 62 to 64% last year, while gas-powered vehicle sales decreased by 7%. According to Cathie Wood, there is a growing demand for electric vehicles due to the lower total cost of ownership. Last year, around 7.7 million electric vehicles were sold globally, and this number is expected to reach 60 million in the next 5 years, compared to the consensus estimate of only 20 million. This means that electric vehicles will account for roughly 75% of all vehicles sold in 5 years. Despite the focus on Asia, some argue that BYD is leading the way. Now, last year's BYD sales of hybrids and battery electric vehicles increased by 211% to about 1.8 million units, whereas Tesla's vehicle sales only increased by 40%. Some people in Asia may wonder if BYD is leading the game here. Well, if you consider only battery electric vehicles and remove hybrids, which are more complicated and costly, then the situation may look different. Cathie Wood said that while pure battery electric vehicle sales were 900,000 last year, Tesla sold 1.4 million globally. However, Cathie thinks Tesla's autonomous strategy is more important than its electric vehicle strategy. This is why Cathie has a $1,500 price target for Tesla in 5 years, with 2/3 of it due to autonomous technology. On the other hand, when Cathie listens to BYD, they don't hear much about the autonomy as a strategy. Meanwhile, XPeng seems to be more focused on autonomous, but they are far behind BYD and Tesla in terms of unit volume. Cathie believes that the companies that will win in the electric vehicle industry focus on drivetrain strategies and autonomous technology, which is one of their major innovation platforms. Cathie Wood says that she has saved a lot of money and time in the past 5 years. In this new era of artificial intelligence, she believes that the most crucial factor is having exclusive data. She thinks that if we are searching for popular and successful applications, we should look at the early days of the internet when social networks like Facebook emerged as the big earners instead of the internet itself. Cathie Wood believes that companies that have both AI and domain expertise will be the biggest winners. For instance, in life sciences and multiomics, companies must have a deep understanding of DNA, RNA, proteins, and methylation. It's not just about having expertise, though companies also need their own data. AI will cause a significant increase in productivity, which is going to be one of the most significant in history. So when considering investing, it's important to examine how companies use AI to cut costs. Tesla is an excellent example of a company that's collecting proprietary data. It's amassed the highest number of real-world driving miles in the world over the last 5 to 7 years. In fact, it's likely collected more miles than all the other auto and tech companies combined. This is why many people believe that Tesla is best positioned to succeed with its autonomous taxi platform strategy. She says that the company which can safely and quickly travel from point A to point B will likely be the first to succeed in the new AI industry. Therefore, there will be many opportunities for one company to dominate in this field. To achieve this, companies must have the right AI and domain expertise and access to high-quality data to train their AI models. So do you think Cathie Wood is right about Tesla hitting $2,000 by 2027 with its focus on self-driving cars? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that's the end of our video. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll always be up to date and won't miss any of our new content. See you soon and stay safe.